This next song is by a very popular artist, and we're very happy to be playing it for you. This is Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. I want you to stay till I'm in your bed, till I ride away, then and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. Go, I'm going to, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said it never, I wasn't better. Life can change the weather, might not be forever, but it's forever. It's something better. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could tell you more. Might not be long, but baby, love you till the day that you die, till the day that you die, till you're always by your eyes, till the day that you die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You wouldn't believe all the things I've told you. You're so full of this. Tell me, is it good? I know. Say you want to get not to that good. Say you wanna get, don't be stupid. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be wrong, but baby, I wanna say okay.
It really sucks right now.
Fundamental plans to be successful.
What were you trying to say?
All of us are trying to turn it.
Yeah.
Okay. Our next song has a feeling, and I really love singing this song. I can show it.
They're going to Madison to watch
What's that?
that.
So this is cold, like this thing.
Yeah, please.
Girl, the way you broke my heart, it shattered like a red through a window. So,
Because we were just talking about the fact that like she wanted to go to a golf event and she wanted to
okay, so this next song is a new song of ours, and it's supposed to actually have some instruments, but we don't have them, so forgive us if there are some mistakes, or it's just a new song, so we're learning. But Max and I are really excited to play this for you. And I think everyone is, so this is Easy to Love by It's a beautiful match, but it wasn't meant to play. For a reason, I had to change it for, and I've been holding myself back from this part. I wanna be easy to love. I wanna love easy. I wanna be easy to love. I wanna love easy. favorite artists to do as a band. And this song is led by Buddy.
I know it's that.
I'm not sure.
That's from Take Video. All the heat.
And I saw my reflection within the snow-covered hills till the landslide rolled. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Feel the child within my heart rise above. Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Oh, well, I've been afraid of changing 'cause I feel my life around you. But time makes you older, and children get older, and I'm getting older too. Well, I've been afraid of changing 'cause I built my life around you. But time makes you older, and children get older, and I'm getting older too. Yeah, I'm getting older too. So take my love, let it take it down. Yeah, if you climb a mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, where the landslides break. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, maybe, well, maybe, well, maybe the landslide break down. Okay, our next song is by the same